A pleasant morning to each and everyone, especially to you, Mom. Good morning. We are the Group 3 and we are the third demonstrator for today. I am Teacher Mary Jane.
I am Teacher Abigail.
I am Teacher Andrea.
I am Teacher Ezra. And I am Teacher Alvin.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so before we start our class for today, please stand up for our opening prayer. Tindog. May I request Anne Trelawney to lead our opening prayer?
Let us hold ourselves in the holy presence of God, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, and deliver us from evil.
Again, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
So, okay, please sit down. So, mag-attendance sa paagi sa head count.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12,
13, 14,
15,
16, 17, 18,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
louder, class.
28,
29,
30.
Very good. So, palakpakan din kay complete. Okay, so, pick all the trash sa inyong kuan. Ilabay. Ang kunita ang mga basura, class. Okay, so, how are you today? Nakatog lagi mo gabi eh? So for us to be energized, na ako'y paduwa si teacher ninyo. Excited mo?
Yes.
Very good. So ang atong duwa is the boat is sinking. Are you familiar with that game? Hindi mo familiar. So, nani ang mechanics ha? First, ang tanang learners, balikan mo kamo tanang classmate ninyo, anak mo sa center. Anak mo sa center, and then muna si teacher. Magtako mo na sunga. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. So, mangita mo partner, mudagan mo. And then kamo na ang partner. Ang katong may partner nga, ang katong usa nga nabilin ra, so out na siya. Kasabot ra?
Yes.
Asa thumbs up. Very good. So, okay, atong ipangkuhan ang mga lingkuranan. Kay Aaron, na ako. Hinaya ng chairs na PE. Pagsakot na pagsakot. Okay, so okay naman na. So, anin ka sa tungatan ng class? Rhea, anin ka sa tungatan? So, magtapos sa tunga. Maghinay-hinay na class ha? Di magtudtod. Kasabot ra?
Yes, teacher.
So again, ani mo sa tunga, and then after ana, muwala si teacher. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3. So mag-3 mo, sige. Group yourselves into 3. Oh, so out na si Giselle. Kayo man siya. Mga na, ang mechanics no trial pa to. Okay. Finally ha, kasabot ra lagi class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. Kinsa may white partner si Lucy? White partner si Lucy? Si Anday Rosie. Okay, quiet. Next. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3. Nancy. So, pila na may nabilin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, again, ready na mo? Magbuwag-buwag kayo, magbuwag-buwag kayo na. May mga friends, okay? Magbuwag-buwag, ano ka dyan na? Ano to ka, Al? Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 7! Out na sila. Out na. Okay. Isa ba ito? Irish? Siya. Okay, so. Kamu na nabigay ko rin sa... Okay. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3! 3! Walang mga nunladay. 3! Oh, na-out si Halina. Okay. Okay, tama. 6 na lang ulo. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4! Si Nika, no? Apat na sila, apat. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into... Gana sabihin kawan sa kayo. Group yourselves into 1! The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3! Sawa na si Alter. So, tulo na lang mo. Ano yung sa... Pagpagbuwag yan. Laki ko sa puntaan sila. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3! Okay, so, balik. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2! Diba? Nasinika lang. So, very good and good job. Hey, alisa sa front dali. Front. Ilang picture taking. Okay, wow! So sila duha ang nadaw palakpakan. Thank you. So na-energize naman mo class, no? So I have here okay, prepare. So I have here a cone. Kailan mo, ano yung sa mani? Ice cream. Naatay cone, then ice cream ang sa babaw. So, kaning ice cream, ako ni pasapasa ninyo. Mag-games na punta. Ganan mo, games? Yes. Ito, ganan. Alter, pinapildi ka. Okay, so, joke lang. And then, ipasapasa ninyo na mukhang tatag. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ito, mahuman na ang glass, and then, ukinsay makawid ani, mubunod siya. Kasi ganahan nga color ani. And then, mudong dali sa front. Okay? Okay na? And then, inibunot niya na atay, diandam nga secret. So, mukhang tatahan. Okay, twinkle, twinkle. 1, 2, 3, go! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, so Irish, pick a color or pick one color sa ice cream. Why lang mo brown kay gold pa na siya? Let's see, answer mo ha. Color pink. So, pink. Color pink, come here. So, color pink. Kuha ang color pink. Lahat tayo mga questions. Basahan yung sa front. Sige na, basta sa front lang. Okay. It's all about sa topic na to, last week.
It is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of yarn or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth.
Weaving? Very good! So, hatagan na mo palakpas. Oh, sa imo ka yan. So, yun. Ay, ako sa likod ng mga chairs na yung sa mga ay, wag ba? Hindi, ang likod ng mga chairs na lahat sa chairs. Hindi na ako. Okay. Ang mga chair, ang sahod ng mga lingkuranan. Please, down na din. Okay, pasa. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, so, halina, halina, sumayang, dali dahil. Halina. Saan man yung anak? Anak. Anak, okay, mabuba ng ganun. Yellow, you love color yellow? Why? That's your favorite color? So yellow, pick the color yellow here. Hindi mag-cellphone na. Pick one. A, read at the front.
What place is considered as the next time of development?
Iloilo, are you sure? Very good! So, Patan, Iloilo. Iloilo. So, next. So, na tayo mga prizes, no? Kung pinsan kung mga nakatubag, lista na ni teacher. Okay, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Oh, Katrina! Pick! Sige, pick. Saan ang color ito?
Brown.
Uy, brown lagi. Dodong out here, no? So, white. Pick white here. Ay, uy, sige, pick white.
Do you have at least one traveler who discovered food? What illustration using the
Give one traveler.
Do they know?
Very good. So, look at the bukas, no? Very good. So, malata sa atong review. Naminaw, juday mo sa atong last meeting, no? Palakpakan at talanbig. Okay, so, for you to ma-ready mo sa ato ang lesson na ako'y matanaw ninyo. Look at this one. Sama na. Ay. Suwapat. Ang sa class, no? Ikatawaan mo ni Alfie. Okay. So, tanawang class. Basa ha. In the boat side is crab. So, nindot sa no boat. Nindot na boat, colorful. Ano sa may ma-describe mo sa boat? Maluto. Musite man na siya. Yes, maluto ang boat. Pero musite na siya. Nice yun na siya kaayo. Look, kami siya color, no? Yes. Hindi sa hindi ganahan yung color.
Fang.
Rainbow, mga fang. Ay, mga fang. Okay, next. Wow, red. Nice, no? Gikat-kat na siya para mga forest boat. Blue? Magama ka unya blue dye. Magama ka unya. Okay. So, nindot ang mga pictures, no? Yes, teacher.
Okay, class. Based on the picture that you seen earlier, do you have idea what will be our topic today? Wala. So today we're going to discuss. We are coming from Mindanao. Are you excited what it is?
Yes!
So, the art of Mindanao. Here is our topic outline. The origin and craftsmanship, the distinctive features, the construction details, and usage and navigation. So our topic for today is all about the Binta. So the Binta is a traditional outrigger boat originating from the Philippine island of Mindanao. So, kani daw siya Binta is it is originated from the island of Philippines, which is Mindanao. And let's delve into its fascinating history and unique features. So, the origin and craftsmanship. Can you read?
The Binta is skillfully crafted by the Sama Bajau, household Kanakan peoples who reside in the Solo Archipelago, Zamboanga Peninsula, and southern Mindanao. These are grand boats serve multiple purposes, short distance transportation, fishing, and even housing.
So, ang nagama daw ni is the Sama Bajau, the Tausug, and the Yakan peoples. And they live at Sulu Archipelago, Zamboanga Peninsula, and southern Mindanao. And this boat serves multiple purposes like short distance transportation, fishing, and even housing. Kanang puyo na nasa dagat. So, distinctive features. Can you read class?
Colorful sails. The Bintas are characterized by their rectangular long sails, known as bukay, which add a splash of vibrant blues to the sea.
Continue kasi.
Bifurcated prows and sterns. The front and rear of the Binta resemble the gaping mouth of a crocodile.
So, colorful sails. So, makita mo din mga colorful din yung sails. And next is the bifurcated prows and sterns. So, muna yung bifurcated prows and sterns. So, the front and the rear of mga sabita, kanamura siya crocodile, which is kani and kani. Nawadabang right crocodile siya nga nga. Next, can you read?
The hulls are deep and narrow, formed from a U-shaped dome of the beak. The prow in particular is intricately carved, often depicting motifs inspired by nature. Bintas have two bamboo outrigger floats, supported by booms, providing stability during navigation.
So, curve house is kanana sa iyang outer part, which is kani. Kanamura daw kayo forma, muna siya curve house. And next is the outrigger floats. Kani siya, muna siya outrigger floats. Kung sa Bisaya pa, muna siya kati. Then, nasa uban nga, nasa uban nga din open. So next, can we read
Construction details. Hull, traditionally made from red lawan wood, the hull consists of 5 planks on each side. Prow. The prow is the most distinctive feature, carved to resemble a crocodile's mouth. It comprises 2 parts, the lower saplon and the flaring upper palansar, both adorned with intricate ocal motifs. Stern. The stern may feature similar carvings as the prow. It has 2 upper extensions,
Either forming a V-shape or separated by a space.
hull. This is traditionally made from the red lawan wood. The hull consists of 5 planks on each side. So, have a picture of how. So, then you can go open the laptop. Muna siya ay hal. Ano bitaw? Murag ka na ito.
Asa mo?
Sa isda pa. Muna siya ay hal. And next is the pro. Muna siya ay pro kaning dito sa bitaw sa araw. So, the hall is traditionally made from red lawan wood, and ang ganang red lawan wood is very big na siya. Kani, ano siya red lawan wood? Gamay na kayo ng tanaw. Next, healthy weight.
Legs and alone. The hall is covered with a movable deck made of glass for speed jumping. The central house-like structure known as a bagal serves as living space, especially for victims used as houseboats. When discovered, the bagal can be taken out to convert the houseboat into a sailing vessel. Materials: dowels, trees, and parts of the outrigger are made from bakawan, mangrove wood.
So, ang deck niya is kanang pwede na siya pwede na siya makuha kanang murag ko niya south niya. Ang bitamaan na is kanang bamboo. And the materials of dowels, ribs, and parts of the outrigger are made from bakawan or mangrove wood. Do you know what is bakawan?
Oh, donkey.
Dili.
Mga mangroves, mga bakawan.
Yung donkey kay gumo.
Pangkalan.
Donkey, malaman. Donkey ba siya?
May pareho na mangroves.
The usage and navigation. Can you read that?
Lintas are primarily
Paddle their pole in shallow and calm coastal waters with frequent stops for supplies.
They sail across open seas between islands with urgency dynastic. These boats play a vital role in the daily lives of the communities that embrace and use them, connecting people, culture, and the sea.
So, kanila siya is wala ni siya yung makina. Na-move na siya.
Siyang layag.
Lagi kung kani yung layag is ikot ito sa hangin, ma-move na siya or pwede sa na siya out sayang rally unlike sa nang may makina na Okay class, so nagsabot na ba tanan sa discussion ni Sir Alvin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, this moment, natay video nga tanawon. So, this video is all about how to craft a printable mosaic. So, magaman later, after ni na nakoy pa gaman. Okay. So, nag-gets ang mga video. So, karon, nabay natag na one paper.
Lagi din. Certificate mo ba dito sila?
Okay, so what you're going to do is you have to draw or sketch your dream Vita boat. So, kamo na bahala sa inyong battle sa inyong Vita boat. Okay, sketch. Later na ang project, pinaka-art. So, pwede pen, pencil, bahala mo sa inyong gamiton basta kay yun yung sketch kung sa inyong dream Vita boat. So, bahala mo sa design, yung mga details, features. So I will give you 10 minutes to sketch. Okay, so kung na yung mga komedya na nasa word. Nice si Casindi, oh. Can you pass your works? Sa'yo na. Okay, Pak. Takuban. Pagpadek.
Na.
start. Ipos wala. Okay, for group activity, we'll divide you into 4 groups. So, can we count from 1 to 4? Diyan na?
1, 2, 3. More. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3.
0. Okay. So, ito naman sa yung mga grupo.
Group 3.
So, group 1,
Sheila, group 3 kasi
group 2, group 3, group 4 ito.
Last na tayo. Last number. Group 4.
Okay, so,
You want me?
listen for the instruction. So, yung battle na ni is, dili na yun mag-create o itong mosaic na yun na bindabog. So, mag-provide ko materials kada grupo. Okay, so, tingnan lagyan ko yung button. So, cut mo mga papers, pwede mo magamit yung crayon. So, kung gusto mo mag-color, yan na, pwede na kayo. Then, sa yung pag-save, yung layag, kamoy bala. So, inyong pagkanahan sa inyong imagination.
Ay, ka sila.
Count. So, again, yung button is present with the boat, so Mariani. Then, you'll be given 15 to 20 minutes para buwata na. So, again, pag-teamwork mo, maman yung art. I will choose the best art. So, ako kung graduhan yun.
Pwede na lagi kinakapatong mo sa tubig. Ano mo lupad ka? Dali lang, dito, nandito mga. Ano naman sa ka?
Dahil na naman sa... Ay, di ba kaniya ba? Sakto naman yun. Ako na ito.
minutes. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Okay, so before you i-pass yung card, i-lista yung mga groupmates, yung group number. Okay, so give me your art. Okay, group 1. Wow. Okay, sign. Make sure, right? Okay, group 2. Artist name. Okay, group 3. Come on. Group 3. Okay lah. Ilang tubig eh. And lastly, group 4. Saan group 4?
Nalunod pa.
Okay, group 4.
Wah, ma'am. Wala pa na ako ng pintali.
Okay, so, listen. Everyone, so thank you for your preparation. Kindly arrange the chair. Then, we can put this for other chairs.
So, for Filipinos, the Bintabot is a symbol of resilience and strength. Resilience is a deeply-rooted characteristics that makes up for every Filipino's identity, and it creates a sense of community and compassion. So, class, I hope you are all understand for our topic today, and mostly in creating a Bintabot site. So, karon na ako'y around 5 questions na prepare, and dahil ang sudali ka ng mga names ninyo, kinsay mabuhutan mo ang answer. Understood? So, sige. So, first nga mo answer is si Jella Petaliar. Come here.
Binta is locally known as Lipa-Lipa or Sakaya.
Sakto ba?
Yes.
Puro tayo, puro tayo. Altir si Toy. Come here in front. Beda dito. Basahan ko sir.
It is the traditional outrigger boat originated from the Philippine island of Mindanao.
Let's read. Very good.
And
And Brianne. Please come here in front. The Binta is skillfully crafted by the Sama Bajau, Tausug, and Yakat. Very good. Lapas. Gamba
Jeans.
Wow. Absent teacher.
Or Russian, Irish.
Russian din.
Please come here in Spanish. How many Ventas Bamboo outfitter boats supported by booms, providing stability during navigation? Tama ba?
Yes, teacher. Wala. Absent teacher. Ikaw lang rin.
Halina.
Halina, Kayla. Sit here.
Lecture, sige na.
Ventas are characterized by their rectangular locks.
Tama ba?
Yes, teacher. So everyone, nakasabot na ba ako sa aming tabot mo site?
Yes.
Okay. Kaya karon din, nakasabot naman mo, so we will have an activity. So first, I want you to get a 1/4 sheet of paper for your answer. So for our activity, based on your group activity, in which you created your own unique Vinta book, mosaic, list all the materials you use and the step on creating it. I will give you 5 minutes to answer it. Two minutes left. Okay, manabatanan? Yes. Please have color paper in front. Alright, Bulit ka? Bulit ka? Bulit are you done? Yes, of course. Apa? And for our assignment, based on the sketch you make ganila, I want you to provide. So for our assignment, make your own code mosaic based on the sketch you draw and design, and provide a one-sentence description of the design of your code mosaic. And pass it in the next week. Diba, nakasagot na mo sa assignment? Yes! Wala na ba yung mga question? Wala! Wala na? So, kaya wala naman, before we end our class today, I want you to first get the pieces of paper on the floor. And please arrange your chairs properly. Ria, nine. Lapis na ba? Pastor Juan. Okay na ba? Uyak ba ba? Trabaho, uyak ba? Everyone, please stand. May I request Ms. Victoria to lead the closing prayer?
Okay, to formally end our class, let's first sing the song, goodbye song. And I will be the first one to sing, then everyone then. So, ang tone natin sa pagkanta is, it's time to say goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Our day is done, we had such fun, it's time to say goodbye. Ano sa?
Time to say goodbye.